And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this easy refill and seal kit. So inside of this box, you're able to essentially fill your fine grounds and press the two sides of the scoop, align the edge of the lid flatly to the highest area of the stand, use the tool cap to press down and rotate to create the pods, and then press the edge lids firmly, sticking with the pods to prevent leaks. So essentially you're able to make your own like little Keurig cups in a way. Not necessarily Keurig, but you know what I mean. Your own coffee style cups. So let's open this up and show you what you get. Flat everything out, nothing else in there. So they include a bunch of these lids. Wow, that's pretty awesome. I wasn't certain if it would come with any of this. Yeah, these are all the little foil lids. So you just got to have the bottom cup part. Then this is like your pressing machine here. This is for scooping up your material, I would assume. And most importantly, this is where your cup would go in. So you'd take your little plain cup, put it in here, use your scooper to get out your coffee grains and put your coffee grains in them. Then take one of these lids, put it over the top, and then you're able to take this and just twist it on so that it basically seals it. And then you're able to take your coffee cup out, mesh the sides down, and boom, you have your own little coffee cup. So this is everything you would need to easily refill and make your own little coffee kits. Very great design. Absolutely love the product. And thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send it to me so that I could unbox and show you exactly how this works. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.